Hi guys, today we're going to be doing another video. The reason why I'm not using my cam over at the top bar thing, because it's not working today, and as you can see on the screen, I'm watching something. Today I'm going to be telling you to all go to the YouTuber name, search it up like this, Slow Go Man. Once you press enter, you'll see a whole lot of videos. Subscribe to him, turn on the notifications, and like to him. And once you do that, check out my videos. My name is Abdu. It's not Khadr, just like this. Check out my videos. I've been doing a lot of things on my videos. Make sure you subscribe to them. And all that stuff. This is me playing Roblox and all that kind of stuff. I'll be uploading more Roblox, but here we're going to be checking out my favorite YouTuber videos. Okay? So, first, there's Golden Mods. Well, let me show you something first, guys. You go to Islamic Khadr. I want to show you something first. As soon as you go here, guys, let me see, guys. Make sure you check out my videos, though. Right here, so this is my videos. Make sure you watch this video. It's the best video I made so far. This is how you prank your people with fake Robux.
So you see this here.
Watch out that video so you can see how to prank people with fake Robux. Now we're going to be watching my first favorite YouTuber, which is Golden Mods. Basically, he's a modder, that means hacker, on Roblox, Fortnite, and GTA 5. So we're going to be checking out the main videos I like. So let's see. We're going to be checking out this video first. I like this video a lot. And we're going to check out multiple channels. So make sure you subscribe, give a like, turn on notification.
I got like this super car here. Are you sure you don't want a different car?
No,
But how do you?
Oh yeah, let's go.
How did you do that? How did you do the?
Yo, what's going on, guys? Golden back here, and it's been such a long time since I've said that. Anyways, make sure to drop a like in this video. I'm feeling good, man. Every other day, there's gonna be a GTA 5 mod throwing. Might throw some Fortnite in there for you Fortnite guys.
Okay, guys. So as you heard, he's making a video every single day. So why don't we make a video every single day? We're going to be trying to make a video every single day. So make sure to subscribe, give a like. We're going for 15 likes. We're gonna set Mango for that. Subscribe, give a like, and turn on all notifications on me and Golden Mods. And then subscribe, give a like. Also, turn on the notification just like that. Subscribe to him, like that. And then that's how you do it. So, check out his videos.
Guys who have been showing on the channel for the last couple months. But like I said, expect GTA 5 videos every other day. Literally every other day. If I miss a day, there will be a makeup day. Anyways, Golden Army, let's see if you're still here. Let's try to hit 5,000 likes in this video.
And guys, we are going to be doing, if we miss a day, we are going to be doing that. So, up Wednesday, we're going to be doing 2 videos in 1 day. So make sure you subscribe and give a like, turn on all
I'll talk to
notifications.
you on the next one. As always, stay golden.
Hey, you guys want to race?
Where do you think you're better at racing than me?
How do you make it?
I have an okay car, but it's my personal favorite. So honestly, any car in the game can be the fastest if you know how to drive it.
I would like my T20 because I'm a try hard.
And you're gonna have your T20. It's like the fastest car in the game.
Yeah, I know. Can you take me outside the gate because you won't bring it in here?
Where are you at? The airport?
Yeah, so I want to leave.
I'm bringing my favorite car that came out back in the combat update. I don't know if you were playing back then. Were you playing when the game first came out?
No.
Yeah, I'm driving up to the airport now though.
Like yours? Like,
Yeah.
so are you the gaming monkey?
Basically, he's modding.
right? Like lap style.
Drag races are just straight down. We can go again though, because I think I might have got a head start.
How did you do that? How did you do the
And if you're wondering how to mod, he puts a thing down here. Go goldengods.com. Check that out, and that's how you mod.
Yours is an automatic, so I don't think you can do it. I think it auto shifts. But I have a manual. You can just shift whenever you hit top speed in a certain gear. You just shift up.
okay, so clearly yours is faster.
Nah, mine's not faster. I just know how to drive. Like, I could probably beat you in your car, but I don't want to hurt your feelings, you know? Alright, just say ready, set, go whenever, alright? And I'll just go so you can get a little bit of a start.
I'll just toss the grenade.
Alright, man. Whenever the grenade explodes, let's go. Explode, I didn't even see. Alright, let's go.
Yep.
Yeah,
I guess
really
you're lagging.
nice head start. Yeah, I'm probably lagging a little bit with my fiber internet. Holy crap. You totally won this one. There's no way. Even shifting up, I probably can't catch up. Oh my god, it's close. Oh! Dude, I beat you by just a little bit. Dang, that car is slow.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going back? Here, I'll get the head start. Let's go.
I'm already taking it.
Alright. Oh my god. You're actually like already at the end.
Okay, so you're a modder. Now I get it.
Maybe. Let's go back with no mods, okay? I turned everything off.
No, honestly, you're a modder, so you can't mod my car.
How would I do that? Hey, where'd you go?
Maybe not modded.
Autumn, where'd you go?
Really?
Hello? Hello?
Really? Hello?
Hello? Autumn?
Hello? I know you can hear me.
Autumn?
What's that sound?
Anybody hear Autumn?
Really? Into the water. You tossed me into the water.
Okay, guys, that was the whole video. I'm going to be checking out another video for at least 5 more minutes. Then we're going to end the video here. So, let's at least, I don't know. Yeah, let's put on this video. So once you watch all this, we'll get into the video.
Horrendously delayed. Amazingly, they kept the desk open. Wait, that sounds like he's arrested you. What the heck?
Yeah, I'm in the back seat locked up. I can't get out. Let me out. I'm in jail, man.
And guys, once you see this, please click it to get